angle between two lines. Now first of all we will be doing with the vector form, then with the Cartesian form. Now let equation of a line, L1 and L2 be vector r is equal to vector a1 plus lambda vector b1 and vector r is equal to vector a2 plus mu vector b2 respectively. So we have written two equations in the vector form for the two lines. Now these two lines are parallel to vector b1 and vector b2 respectively. Now if theta is the angle between the lines L1 and L2, then theta is also same angle between vector b1 and b2. Now we have already gone through the definition. So what we are having? Now we are having cos theta is equal to vector b1 dot vector b2 upon magnitude of vector b1 magnitude of vector b2. So this is the angle between it, or we can write it theta is equal to cos inverse of this one. Now we are having conditions. Let it be this side. Now what are the conditions? Number one, if lines L1 and L2 are perpendicular, if lines L1 and L2 are perpendicular, then theta is equal to 90 degree or cos 90 degree is equal to what? Is equal to 0. Hence condition for perpendicular it is b1, it's vector b1 dot vector b2 is equal to 0. First condition, because cos 90 degree is 0, so vector b1 dot vector b2 upon magnitude of vector b1 and vector b2 will be equating 0. So we are having vector b1 dot vector b2 is equal to 0. Now number 2, if lines L1 and L2 are parallel, then vector b1 and vector b2 are also parallel. Hence, condition for parallel it is vector b1 is equal to lambda vector b2. Lambda is some scalar. So these are the two conditions, and this is the angle between the two lines in the vector form.